Hello student, let us continue with the third lesson, impressive web design. In this chapter we have already learned about what is web, working of web, some components of web, some important terms related with the web. Then we have just learned about the HTML5. Okay, what is HTML5 and some introductory part of HTML5, what is the basic structure of an HTML5 file. Then while working with HTML5 we must learn some tags. What are those tags and what are the attributes? Okay, what is the meaning of an attribute? Okay, how to use those attributes? Already we have started with the basic HTML tags. Some text formatting tags also we have started. Now let us continue with the topic text formatting tags and all the basic HTML tag. HTML tags and attributes. Okay, already we know, my dear students, the body tag, which is the one of the basic structure tag which is used to define your document body. The attribute of this body tag is BG color and text. Okay, we know how to use it and what is the meaning of BG color and text. Now next tag tha BR tag, to add a line break. Now one more tag, just see here, marquee tag. Okay, it's again a pair tag. Start with the marquee and then add your contents and close with the marquee. This tag displays text with a scrolling effect. My dear students, whenever you just want to display some text with the scrolling effect, okay, so that is possible with the help of marquee tag. We'll see with example. Before that, we'll just start with the rest of the text formatting tags. Why these text formatting tags are important? As we know, when we are just thinking to create a website, it is very important to format the information what you display on the browser screen. Okay, so there are different tags available in HTML5. With the help of those, we can add a different formatting on your text or information. The very first tag tha, already we have discussed about this body tag, B tag, which is a bold tag. It's a pair tag. You have to just remember displays text within it in a bold effect. Okay, next is I, which stands for a italic effect. Okay, this tag is used to display the text in italic effect or format. Next is U tag, which gives you the underline effect. Now here comes the new tag, which is the sup tag. Sup stands for superscript. Okay, so again it's a pair tag, so whatever you write inside this sup tag displays text in superscript form. Okay, for example, now somewhere you want to display this 11 as your standard. So while writing 11, you are writing this th at the upper side, which is called as a superscript effect. Now sometime if I want to display such things, then I can use sup tag for that particular text. Next is sub tag. Sub stands for subscript. So it's again a pair tag. Start the sub, add your content, close with the sub, displays text in subscript form or format. For example, look at this H2O. How you are writing this 2 at the subscript or at the downside. So to make this format, sub tag is used. Okay, to display this 2 in this format, sub tag is used. Okay, so यहाँ पे just you'll add a sub at the beginning and then just after writing 2, close your sub. Next is small tag. Again it's a pair tag. Displays text in small font size. Keep in mind, whatever the default size of your font, it shows you the text in somewhat smaller than the default one. Okay, 1 point smaller than the default one. So small tag is used. Now next is ins, insert. Okay, so here wherever I want to display some text as an inserted text, so that text must be inside the ins. Start with the ins, add your text and close with the ins. Okay, next formatting tag है del tag. Okay, for the delete. So again it's a pair tag. Anything that appears within the del, okay, element is displays as a deleted text. Okay, so somewhere you want a line through the text, then you can add that text inside the del. one more tag is there as a formatting tag, mark. Okay, this tag defines the mark or highlighted text. Highlighted text means what? जैसे if you are using a highlighter to just highlight some points, in the same way if you want to while displaying information on the browser, you want to highlight some points or highlight some heading, so that heading or that points you can add inside this mark tag. Okay, so these all are the text formatting tags from the HTML. We'll see some example so it will be more clear to you. Okay, look at this. Now to use those all program tags in my program, I am just starting Notepad and start typing the all the basic tags. So as you know कि as you are using a HTML5, so very first जो आपका sentence है और tag है, it must be doc type HTML in a angular bracket. Next आपने लिखा HTML head. Okay, basic structure you have to follow. So after head, title tag must be there. You are adding some suitable title, closing title, then you are closing head. So this is for the header part of your web page. Now you are starting with the body tag. BG color you are using as a pink and text color you are using as a blue. See my dear student, not always you have to use these attributes. That depends on your choice. Okay, if you want to use these attributes or not. If you want really a background color, then use it. If you don't want, don't use it. Directly you can close body tag here. Okay, so here I am using BG color also and text color also. Now in my body section, first I am just want to display as a college or society name, but while displaying this society name I am just using H1. So what will happen, this society name you will get in a H1 heading size 1, okay, with some bigger font size with bold effect. Okay, so and again I want in the center, so I am using H1 align is attribute equal to center. Okay, then again I am using bold tag to make it bold, and again I want a underline effect also, so I am using U. So in the same way you have to close sequence wise. U I am closing first, then bold I am closing, and then H1 I am closing. Okay, so this way this Chinchini Tarapura Education Society you are displaying in the center of your web page with H1 bold and underline effect. Okay. Now again you are starting with the H1 because rest of the things again I want to display with the H1. So start with the H1. Here you are displaying standard. Okay, so what I want 11th. So how, see that EH you want in a superscript. So how you will add this sup tag, TH को ऊपर लेना है, तो start the sup, add TH and then close with the sup. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा 11th डिस्प्ले होगा, and here you are adding BR, that means आपको next line में जाना है. So that's why you are adding a BR which is a singular tag. Now BR के बाद आपने दिया H2O you want to write. So see how you are writing this 2. You want a subscript effect over here. So writing sub, then 2, then closing sub O. Again मुझे BR देना है to break the line. Next I am using a small tag. Okay, small tag हमने देखा अभी. What is the use of? It displays the text with some smaller font size, 1 point fall smaller size. So I am closing small tag here. We'll see what type of effect I will get. Then again BR MK. See here junior and college. MK junior college में जो junior है I want to highlight, not highlight, I want to just insert, I want to show with some different formatting. So I am using this INS, which I want to say it's inserted text. So what type of effect we'll get? So we'll get a underline over here. It's same like your U tag. Okay, next I am using del tag. See the effect of this del tag, you will get the line through the text. Okay, deleted text like. Then I am using mark tag. Mark से क्या होगा highlighted part. We'll see the effect of this. Simply I am writing MK General College inside this mark tag. At the last I am closing H1 because यहाँ पे आपने start किया, यहाँ पे मैं इसको close करूँगी. So all these things I am getting in a H1 also. Now marquee tag, as I told you, this marquee tag is not from your text formatting tag, but ये marquee tag किसके लिए, to give the scrolling effect to the text. We'll see. I am writing marquee, then H2 में अंदर मुझे MK जूनियर कॉलेज डिस्प्ले करना है. I am closing H2 and then again closing marquee, closing body, closing HTML. So as after typing this program, as I told you, while saving, जब आप सेव करोगे, add your file name .html. This is very very important, you have to follow this. While saving, add your file name in this way. Then after saving, you will go to the browser and then open your file p3.html in a Chrome or Microsoft Edge. After opening, you will get such type of output. देखो ये browser screen है. Then Chinchilla Celebration Society, you are getting this with the blue color, and in the center of the browser with the underline effect and with the bold effect. तो ये था आपका H1 align center. ठीक है. इसके बाद आपने देखा std 11th, this th you are giving as a superscript. Okay, so this is what output. Next you are just see H2O, how you are writing, because 2 you are giving as a sub. Okay, so this is what a subscript effect. Now MK Junior College you are displaying with a small tag. Look at the difference between this font size and this. Okay, so you will get the text with somewhat smaller size. Then you are using inserted tag junior. See, you are getting a underline over here. Next is deleted tag. Okay, so this junior, because you are writing del, here you are getting the deleted text effect. Now this is what highlighted, आपने use किया था mark tag, so highlight हुआ वो particular line. Okay, here see this tag is because of the marquee. I have to show this particular file in a browser, that's why I will get the marquee effect. Okay, I will just show this file in a browser. So already that file is saved. Already मैंने ये file बनाई है. So I'll show you that file here. See, that file is already created. I'll go to the browser. Okay, आपका पास जो browser है आप उसमें जाओ. Then try to open. Use Control O to open. Okay, here you can see your file. Go to your particular folder where your file is saved. Then select your file and then click on open. Okay, look at this. You will get the output like this. Look at this. Look at this. This is what a scrolling effect. Okay, तो marquee आपने जो लिखा था इसका ये effect है. Okay, MK Junior College you are getting in with a scrolling effect. After this again it will start from here. Okay, so this is what the scrolling effect. Here you can change the background color, you can change the text color, even you can just manage the speed of this MK Junior College जो scrolling effect आ रहा है. So many attributes were there. We'll see those attributes later on, but here I think so it's clear all the text formatting. Here bold, italic, underline, then superscript, subscript, then small tag, insert tag, delete tag, and mark tag. Okay, so all these tags are clear to you. Okay, these all are the text formatting tags, or you can say the elements. Okay, so we'll continue with the next tag in the next session.